benki ya umwancho muriyere rwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bumubusiye kerongo igenda munarito lya oli abere lito ererukegima nanene kwa bere gokwego kya aso kubwatemero biriyonse geta seni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bumubusi litko lya rero ne litko lya Jumanne tariki isano ne mocho mutienyi o 12 omwaka no iwechiri bibere na merongo ebere nebere nekerobono umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abeirega kulia irasaba Kenya munanache kwenekya asegeka kemitienye 5 nemo erebosio niaucha kwenekya buna obutume kibwechinjera chiekerero wabeire bokororokana gosibo kubekwa asekera ensemo anena sechiskuru unenjira yemo yokorobya obugima bwo Kenya na nene gokonya abasae wekinia ase amatukare bosio chinga kingiye kero chia yaragire ensemo yabono mogoroba chinga kindete go kwarigania SMS ya Amayia eriyo nkumanya una nara ya kubwatirana nabasaki baito mangana Amayia to kwariganirie asenchira erenkeranu kona ritanganike yimati kataranyore gatiari kwariganeretie asenchire yobwenge
igitiye by Friday gwagerukero umupira
egosori ngo yoko iranerero ime county ya Kisii asera bege kogoseri wasegeti kya Gusii Stadium.
A section of Kenyans are worried that their political choices would isolate their region.
Ekiombe kya National Cohesion Integration and Commission kubwatu koroboti gorobo choribu makoyo.
Schools will well be resourced and will be able to deliver the right education for our children and society.
Aboroki abanene be skuru choboro soko kanya serikali kubamenta chibese rigo ikirani obokoreri borobuya ase chiskuru. Omwancho murigere ya mnaenda mange ngo kwariganira ngumanye asenchira ere yobwikirane karango kwenyeruna nabo kwendera gotonyora asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tubwate wetra Ndizi TV News nabo go tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News asensemere ya Twitter boigo ase website ya itoni wala tonyora wetra www.ndizitvnews.or.ke eriyo togendre go kumanya mankeri triane Evalino Sero orito bwatrana nere kwene kya wikira asensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta kwariganwa beko gusangana intwe goika omwerio togo chakani go omurai wekyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga abete gakoraria bunani go barachi gotwara emesangrekano abo litkoria ankyo tariki isana naibere nabo igo tariki 12 asensemo ya kamkunji ime umucho Nairobi eriyo gosanga nabo gosangireria ebirengerero by'abananchi kubwatikana no gosoko rusi wabisiko ba commissioner weke ombe kyo bachori ne chimbebe IBC bane nonya naboni go murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto bakago kwanerengane yo nata none baganeti oburendi nigo arachi goto kobeka ababusabayisaine eriyo kubayenekeria oburendi ona baganetie gokora amandamano nabona nigo ensemo yabamenyiko rwase county ya Kisii babere bagusanga ebirengerere byabo asabange babarokanire wanchana negetambukero kyo muraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga nabande gokana muri keito Josephat Amisi nabakagusanga nabarabo natigato iwe nara ya yatwariganiretie
injiko ene kyabuna serikali yane yanyale kobeko ena na oburendi boisaine uchobo muri bwazimio isioburaibwa Raila Odinga anenekero bara chake okorobekana kwa ayangolenga no muraibwa ense Dr. William Ruto chinga kyabatokete ngwana ya bene anene ikoriyo korobekana okonyale koba okubangwa litukolyangyo.
Nimemwambia Professor Kindiki aulize hawa watu schedule ya maandamano ndio tuwapatie askari ya kuwachunga wasiharibu mali ya watu. Kama wanataka kufanya every day ama every week ama every month na kwa miaka ngapi, watu waambie wanataka kufanya hiyo maandamano.
Kana no murobeli bokorobekana oyonyale koba gukubangwanere omurai bwazimio Raila Odinga bono abamenyebe county ya Kisii nigo besokirie na kubatuka ebirengerero byabo au kubatukana no murobeli oyo
ngongo unga mukono amandamano akajokokoru na Azimio ekyagera serikali taligere iribu ya asakwanda bube abantu imokirigoro serikali yogusaleka igo mwisike Raila twakungura mukono tebira injwa mna abantu motebenga ngalie serikali erebobe igo tuko pamoja tutasimama na nyinyi
kira maandamano akoru ekere sababu ero egere tonyo freedom wambe boboronge na boicho nikurukare yakabeiroro ngona wende koba ebe strong eturanyo borawia maoni ane igoro ya Raila kobeka igoro ya maandamano ndoje ngambi yanya kore kiagera to freedom e president ye umo no boicho nita ebete bororo ndo twara freedom
nonyana bo abaraibe jidini nigo baboriwe banyana ko bagwesokia anena kugikiria obubebonde bwensi obugenderete ime ase serikali korende tari gwakira chingo bikire gitambukiro serikali konyara kobege koira ayangolengana na Reverend Mumanyi oibo igo ole omurwaniri bobosibole bwamanya bantu ime county ya Kisii
nabo tokore nduna bakwa magutani tugwenderete kango togo kane situ aromorembe ekere tokotebia bari tokoraririe nchiri na oyo gwaka negeciomba Nyasaye Jerera 4 ekere bare gukora imirimo yabo naho bare ko bense meyende gose babense meye gose babe katikati lakini mono ibare nge katikati ase kene kiagere kene kegusubora na ndi gyasubora pi agibono roche segi bare segi ya Jerera 4 yagere leader of opposition na his excellence the president bakwarana na indutoro kuna bakwa maguta aba bishop aba reverend aba pastor tukirete tutali gokoraki tutali gotokonyerana kogorora igeso gotokoteba we have to refute and rebuke
Reverend Mumanyi boigo nigatebire korengana ne lichiko liense ya Kenya abakenya mbale no bosibole bugokora okorobekana kulikoli kwa malembe korende tali kuliko gusalia chinibo cha bantu bande
amaandamano is a constitutional right. Article 37 of the constitution ingo tebira abantu ba demonstrate abantu ba picket lakini ngento nanje nayo ko tebuni president yide tebete tigabate aba matuka ba go demonstrate
kuripotire kata seni Ndizi TV kure county ya Kisii
Mbia mwana umurikeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti orurikiranu koru ase county ya Kisii umuteneneri bwe chigosori na mangana yabasae ase serikali ya county ya Kisii Wilfred Rianga nigo aenekire buna chigosori chia National Super League nigo chirachokorekana ase geti ye chigosori kya Gusii Stadium awase timu ya Shabana erabege kwarigania ekemina nekyo murikeito ndemo Stephen na manke
Goikera bono ne myaka ebere korwenga keminano bya ligi ya National Super League NSL byariganetigu asegeti kya Gusii Stadium eye nigo yererete chitimu cha Shabana FC na Gusii FC kogosole eminano byanka isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii nonye nabo nigo mwabisomo ne bwe chigosori Kisii Wilfred Rianga aina kiri chigosori bono nchirane ase Gusii Stadium gochakira ijumeye ase Shabana FC era arigani SS Asad
egeti kenkira era lakini tua promise leveling yoka yokorwo isikolire rero nga twakorire egeti ge by Friday gwagerukira umupira rero na mambi leveling ngokora tore twakorire egeti bone geko ikiara no yakira umupira buya kabisa without any problem lakini timu yetu ya Gusii of course no nekero bale gwakira gali Sonic Martin twakabasa twatemete ko basaponza sana lakini mbanya gocha kibarache egetie kene kiabo
abati otereri nigo basabiru beso kiaso bonge ime Gusii Stadium ijuma ase gosori eyu gwakania gotabo
so igo abantu baminte to kubatebinga ijuma akereriye gwanja ya Sabana egetie konyo akierire kiabekiru chigori post kiabekiru ne leveling ya yonsi ya eri
torateye county government bya murase gasi bakorire ande tate ya mashabiki ichume gasati sabatoke getige gabarigerio mupiro Shabana na Asad
abanchi bechigosori nigo bachengeiro ko igorwa kwa Gusii Stadium okwo kora bairanerie obwari bwenkoyo
ebinto biri konya batiotereri bamisetio mupira kerora wendo mata abantu baitomba konyara na orche economy ya sarikire gamba konyora besa chiugo travel anda ke baike keretimwe wakira wendo osenaroko onu mupira go chirange gaiga abantu bache banyare kwa bago chageti barigerio mupira sengenjo nabo gutara na magoro oikegeti gaiga nande anda ke timu kere wakira sebuna wendo turi konyara kwa revenue turi gocha se timu sengenjo mashabiki tari travel ya kaneno ni chibasia geita basoegeti bono timu ne chebe gokonyeka ase revenue na sa mashabiki gocha gotiotereria timu ito ligaretire ligi
Nonye nabo ukwagacho kwa Gusii Stadium ase chinsemo chinde nigo koragenderere ilio gekini goikia birengo bya igoro.
Alafu muisa kurigereri gari kando ase na tutarabeke wall. Abunge baito assembly bagweti muroche gari ase wall tutarabeka chibeso bekiroro chucha gukure getie kiga.
Maiga yo chitimu chia kurongorwa Gusii Shabana FC na Gusii FC chikosori mia National Super League kukosori chikosori chiabo chenke kurwa segeti keri kia Narok Stadium awendo Green Stadium amo na Kericho Green Stadium nikabono chikosori chira nera iga segeti kia Gusii Stadium asebona bamenyi borongorwa Gusii basa biru basoka sobonge na gotio tire chitimu chenka kwane kunanko babaro moyo na koranda ke basukire gotia sekerengo kende ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa iga segeti kia Gusii Stadium kutoka ase bunge Nyamira Chache County ya Kisii. Eliataliane Ndemo Steven.
Miamano murikeito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ururu ikiranu tokogenda ase county ya Nyamira nigo omo gose kina ikigekwamereria obubwibwaye omubungo West Mugrango Steve Mogaka akiaba gose kyagendera gotegererwa ritko lya rero awase omwamererio ye Rogers Muturi abaga koika bosibwa wakili na koiraniria amabori korengana buna abaga kuboriwa korengana na Muturi nigo ateba buna nigo omo gose amachibu yobo chorio bonene bumwa koyega asekere kyobo chumbe bwebunge ya West Mugrango nigo atarengaine ekyoge kairira korabuna obungainere nabo igo obwasyo gutwarrokanete ase obochorio bwo muri kaito korase county ya Nyamira job manki niga bwati oroboti oru no gutwariganiria senchira erenkeranu
nigo ekina gyo kwamereria obubwibo mubunge West Mugrango Steve Mogaka kiabage kugendera gotegererwa ase ritiko lya kabere ase koti enene ya Nyamira busibwo monachi ekina wawire kiare omosweri Rogers Muturi oyore koligia ekeroki obubunge wa West Mugrango gwetera ekiama kya ODM nabaga kolingoli gunaba wakili erinde kweresa asobwagare igoro yekina ekyo.
Initially, you said all the polling stations in Nyamira Primary were not having any agents, and the forms there speak of a different thing altogether. You still want to maintain that first assertion?
Your Honor, we were at liberty from IPC, each candidate to come up with their own agents.
Nateba nigo etabauti enene arenge egati ekikura kyagetwe asekeroke obubunge nebirogo binde.
In terms of figures at home, go to the next one where you have compared National Assembly with gubernatorial elected position, where you have indicated how many votes are the difference.
233.
I'll give you the that is next one.
Ensa moyende nateba tabwate abagenti asebituo emerongo ene no mu agenti oyo nigatigete emere mochinga kityobo choli.
Now, you do not have agents. Who was undertaking or who was safeguarding your interests in the 40 plus polling stations that you have mentioned?
It's God.
God. Okay, thank you.
Egati ebituo atebambia bwate obotutukanu asokomenta chikura nkeli kya Marindi Lirumi Nyamira Primary chingane ebinde.
That there are 5 rejected votes at the Bomondo polling station, isn't it? And now you said that the rejected ballots, the 5, were actually tallied as valid votes in favor of the third respondent. That when you said that the rejected votes were counted as valid votes in favor of the third respondent, you are not being truthful to my lord, isn't it? I'm truthful.
Ntobe toko bamanyibune kine kukera agenderere goika okona chokwaye kuruase county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mia mano murikeito job manki ase oraboti ororikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira. Togotigana nayo ni gomuraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto agenderete kubanekeria abakenya na chigo cyakyo botumiki ubwekerero wetera enchera yemetandao anena se chiskuru chionsi nabo igo kwenekia buna emerero ose chinguru chemerero cyabere chikobekwa ase kera enyumba bunenchera moyo kworobya obugima bw'abakenya nabo igo gokonya abasaye wekinya ase amatukari bosyo niga yakwana asensemo ya Sarite Expo Center imemo cyo Nairobi chingaki cyogo cyake bene omuroberi umanyekanite buna Kenya Innovation Week.
Many young people spoke about the digital economy. They wanted to be connected to the internet. They wanted to explore opportunities in the digital space. And that is why the government of Kenya is going to roll out another 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic. We want to make sure that every shopping center, and we have about 29,000 of them across the country, will be on internet and will have a hotspot. We want to make sure that all our schools, about 27,000 of them across Kenya, will be on internet. And we also want to make sure that every home, and we have 8.5 million homes that today are connected to electricity. We also want to lay our fiber network on the Kenya Power transmission lines. So we want 8.5 million homes that are connected to electricity to equally be connected to the internet. And that is the reason why we are rolling out that program, so that we can give more young people the opportunity to explore opportunities in the digital space and the digital economy, to have access to the internet, and also to make sure that bundles are cheaper, and therefore more Kenyans can access that space. And we will deliberately put in place strategies to facilitate access to low-cost internet-ready devices to enable more Kenyans to participate in the digital economy.
Chinga kiechubo igo Ruto niga bakagukwanira igoro yo muyega o Jamhuri Day yo gokorekana chitariki 12 cyomutienyi oyo 12 asate babuna nigora chikoba oyibwa matunda ase abakenya nigate babuna nigago cya kwarigania abamanyi bamangana yekerero nabo igo konekia abuna nigo abarachi komenta bakole mirimo ase mitandao yekerero.
I deliberately decided that this year's Jamhuri Day is going to be profiled properly and themed as the Innovation Jamhuri Day. And I have, instead of inviting the usual people who we invite, I have decided that I am going to invite our technology leaders worldwide, from Facebook, from Google, so that we can share with them and they can share with us the opportunities that exist in a world that is increasingly becoming a digital world. And I am very confident that from the 15,000, 40,000 people that we have working now in this space, I am confident in the next 3 years we shall have increased the numbers from the 15,000 to 1 million workers working in the digital ecosystem.
Omurayo gatatu wense ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigo asie kabene geikaro igoro yechingwa na chokoreto murembe ase ense ya Democratic Republic of Congo asate birobuna abarai bechinse mbache ko bwaterana eriyo kwenekia omurembe niga yakwana ime umucho Nairobi.
Alafu mengine ambaye wametaja ni ya kwamba mulisema ya kwamba huu mradi wa PDDRCS ya kwamba wengine wenu hamukuhusishwa, na mulikuwa na matatizo na uongozi wa kitaifa wa hii, na amekubali kuangalia huo uongozi, ahakikishe ni ya kwamba ni uongozi ambao utakuwa unakubalika na nyinyi ambao ni wahusika, na pia watarudi tena kwenu nyinyi kuwauliza maoni yenu ni kwa njia gani huo mradi utaweza ufaulu kwa kuwahusisha, lakini sio tu kuja kuambiwa mradi huu umetengenezwa huko. Atawahusisha nyinyi na nyinyi mtakuwa part and parcel ya vile huo mradi utakuwa implemented.
Omurai wekiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigatebire muna barabo abaraikorwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo bagochogikirana ase umusangerekano oyo abagokorariwa n'omurai wekiama kia ODM Raila Amolo Odinga aboritkoria ankyo asensemo ya Kamkunji ime omuchio Nairobi askari atebire muna nigo bagochia gusanga gosekonyore birengerere korwasa abananchi igoro yokoroberia amandamano yokogikeria okorwa bisi kwa commissioner bane kebeke ombeke wachorine chimbebe IEBC.
Even we need President Ruto kujisumbua. It is our constitutional right. Na tutaenda Kamkunji on Wednesday. And we mean well for this country. We basically are saying, please do not pre-rig 2027 elections. We love this nation, and I know our people of Kenya will continue to hold dear the provisions of Constitution 20.
Ekeombe kia National Cohesion Integration and Commission NCIC nigo itkoria rero kia bwatukorobo tibene igoro yobochorio bonene bwo mwako yega obwa korekanete omutienyi o gatano na gatatu korengana no roboti oruo nigo bateona nigo morembo betego koenekiwa ekere korenganiwa no bochori bwa berbo korekana ase miaka ya magega.
A section of Kenyans are worried that their political choices would isolate their region. Others don't feel included in the national conversation, and others still don't feel represented. All of these are challenges to the current peace that we must surmount. The assurance by His Excellency President William Ruto that the Kenya Kwanza government is for and will serve all Kenyans equally is and must be very much welcome.
They are the men and women who go out to talk to citizens and educate of elections. The non-state actors, the churches, Reverend Kobia and your team, the human rights team, and all those people, they are the ones ultimately who educate the public on how to live with one another and accommodate one another. And those are the real people who have made us get to where we are.
Ekigambiro getenenelete obokoreri na baigokuri kwa bokori miremo imeye county ya Nakuru nigo gyatugute irare amarieta 10 y'abawaziri abachoretwe ase serikali eyo nabona nigo bamuganiro mugavana bwe county ya Nakuru Susan Kihika kwene kyabunango chorare abawaziri
in the constitution, the County Government Act and all enabling provisions of the law. An order of judicial review by way of prohibition prohibiting the respondents and all persons from processing the nominations, appointment of the interested parties or any other person nominated in contravention of statutory and constitutional excerpts as provided under the law.
The court gave this judgment in which it essentially quashed the list of the 10 CEC nominees of the county government of Nakuru. So in addition, it also ordered that the same process should be repeated afresh so that they follow the normal County Government Act, all how the laws envisages the appointment of CECs. Essentially what I was trying to put across is that as a society we need to have what we call inclusivity, where everybody feels part of this society.
And there are a team of people who have been really discussing on the issues of the nominations of the County Assembly of Nakuru. We would also want to urge those people that they are actually delaying us in terms of service delivery as a Nakuru. The ordinary mwananchi in the ground is waiting for us to go and deliver these services.
Ekiombe ky'abarimu abanene b'ekikuru ky'oboroso nigo gosekora wano munyakirugobo Johnson Zioka nigo baganiria serikali komenta budget yabo eriokuba ororoberia abokoreri anene chinga ky'ekibogima bogendrete gokunga gokwana chinga ky'omusangerekano yoswari tkoria kabere imeye county ya Mombasa nigo bagania amagani yabo gotege.
Schools will well be resourced and will be able to deliver the right education for our children and society. We also request that progression of aid teachers in grade D1 is considered.
As a commission, we have already retooled 229,000 primary school teachers and 60,000 secondary school teachers. The retooling is meant to enable the teachers to deliver the CBC. It is not a one-off exercise, it's a continuous process, and we are going to...
And as you are all aware, the presidency has committed itself to implementing the recommendation of the Presidential Working Party. And I'm aware even your own chair talked about the minimum essential package, and we've also got the same from our secondary school colleagues, and therefore I'm sure the Presidential Working Party is listening to our views on this issue of financing. But generally, I want to assure you that we are listening.
Mancho Morieri wekiraga igana ngukorera Amayia Ensa emasenchira ere yo wekirano karongo wakirangambia mona sogo chora kubana nchi wekomero bali monstu abato kubwatira na kwene kyamangana wekira senchira ere nkirana na barabni gonko bakira ambia mono nyorabuna to basoskale chikoraga chinsa isatana ndendo chikomerana ere yonkomanye asenchira ere nkirana bakwendra gotonyora sense moya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto na bogo tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eryo togendre gosangana ya mankere tariane Evalino Sero orituwa kubwatira na kwene kya wikeira sense mwe imanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Uta